Welcome to Bridge Lab, Lesson 1, Practice. I'll show you a hand and an auction. Your job is to answer one question at a time. You'll have 6 seconds to respond. Give yourself 1 point for every correct answer. Let's begin. Who is the dealer in this hand? East is the dealer. Question 2. What is the final contract and how many tricks does it promise? The final contract is 2 spades and it promises 8 tricks. Question 3. Who is the declarer? South is the declarer. Hand 2, question 1. What is the final contract and how many tricks does it require? The final contract is 4 hearts and it requires 10 tricks. Question 2. Who is the declarer and who is dummy? South is the declarer and North is dummy. Question 3. Looking at South's hand, how many honor cards does South hold? Five honor cards: Ace of Hearts, King of Hearts, King of Spades, King of Clubs, and Queen of Clubs. Hand 3, question 1. Is this a trump contract or a no-trump contract, and why? Trump contract. The final contract is 3 hearts, so hearts are trump. Question 2. After East opened 1 club, was South's bid of 1 heart legal? Yes, 1 heart is higher than 1 club on the bidding ladder. Hand 4, question. 1 bid in this auction is illegal. Which bid is illegal and why? One club is illegal after 1 no trump. A new bid must be higher, and 1 club is lower. Final contract is 3 no trump. Who is the declarer, North or South? South. South first bid no trump with 1 no trump. In 3 no trump, how many tricks is the declaring side committing to win? Nine tricks. Who makes the opening lead? West makes the opening lead. Hand 5, question 1. What is the final contract and how many tricks does it promise? The final contract is 3 hearts and it promises 9 tricks. Question 2. Who is the declarer in the final heart contract? South. Question 1. Who makes the opening lead? West. Question 2. Who is dummy? North. Question 3. After 3 no trump, if West wanted to bid at the 3 level, what 3-level suit bid could West make? None. Any 3-level suit bid is lower than 3 no trump. Hand 7. Question 1. Is this hand passed out, or will it be played? It will be played. There is a bid of 4 hearts, followed by 3 passes. Question 2. The final contract is 4 hearts. What is the minimum number of tricks the declaring side must win? "10 tricks. Hand 8. Question 1. What is the final contract and how many tricks does it require? The final contract is 2 hearts and it requires 8 tricks. Question 2. Who makes the opening lead? South. Hand 9. Question 1. The final contract is 6 spades. What is the minimum number of tricks required? "12 tricks. Question 2. Who is the declarer and who is dummy? South is declarer and North is dummy. Hand 10. Question 1. Is South's bid of 2 spades legal after East bids 2 hearts? Yes, 2 spades is higher than 2 hearts. Question 2. Who is dummy? North. Hand 11. Question 1. What is the final contract? Not set yet. The auction is still in progress. Question 2. Can anyone make a bid lower than 1 club? No. 1 club is the lowest bid in bridge. Question 3. Who is the opener in this auction? South. Question 1. Who is the dealer? North. Question 2. Who makes the opening lead? North. Question 1. In South's hand, do you have more honor cards or spot cards? More honor cards, 7 honors versus 6 spot cards. Question 2. In 3 no trump, what is the maximum number of tricks North-South can lose and still make the contract? 4 tricks. Question 1. Who is the opener? East. Question 2. How many spot cards does South have? Four. Question 3. Who is declarer and who is dummy? North is declarer, South is dummy. Question 1. What happens if North passes now? The hand is passed out. 4 passes, no contract. Question 2. How many honor cards does South have? Four honors: Ace of Spades, Ace of Hearts, Ace of Clubs, and 10 of Diamonds. Question 1. What is the final contract? One no trump. Question 2. How many tricks are required to make one no trump? Seven tricks. That's it for Lesson 1 practice. You had 39 questions total. Give yourself 1 point for each correct answer. So your score is out of 39. Here's a simple guide. 34 to 39? Amazing. You're more than ready for Lesson 2. 26 to 33? Great progress. Move on to Lesson 2 and feel free to replay this practice once later. 18 to 25? Good start. Rewatch Lesson 1, then try this practice again. 0 to 17? Totally normal for a first try. Rewatch Lesson 1 slowly and come back for another round. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to BridgeLab. It really helps the channel grow, and it helps me keep making the next lessons. Lesson 2 is coming very soon. See you in Lesson 2.